Alright, hello all. This is a video for a challenge by Nick's Picks. This is an attempt to satisfy that challenge. It is a challenge being called the Vice Versa 1000. And the challenge is to take a green belt lock, as ranked by the LPU, Lock Pickers United, as a green belt or higher, and to pick that lock with the pins facing up, and then to pick it again with the pins facing down. And I don't think it matters if you start with them down and then go up, or start with them up and then go down, because it is the vice versa challenge. I'm going to attempt it with this Ace laminated 44 millimeter, which is a green belt. One other stipulation, or a couple other stipulations on the challenge, is it needs to be single pin picked, and there needs to be security pins in the lock such that, counter rotation occurs as part of picking the lock, and you need to be able to show that counter rotation on video during the pick. So let's give this a shot. Let's start. And a little caveat, I don't often pick in hand. I'm often in a vise, so that will add a little bit to the challenge, at least for me. Let's see what we end up with here. Little counter rotation there. And again. And open. All right. That was the easy part. Now let's just do this what feels like upside down to me, and let's see what happens. Oh, this is weird. Very strange. Let's check these pins again. Seems good, good, good. Wow, it just feels so strange to be picking upside down, or pins down. I guess that is standard for a number of people. I am going to do a reset here. Hand is cramping up a little bit. Let's give this one more shot. Hopefully one more shot. Yeah, shout out to Nick's Picks for a very interesting challenge, something that is definitely outside my comfort zone. It's always nice to be challenged. Expands our skill set. We do things in a different way. Wow. Maybe I should have done this in a vise. Oh, it's like Mirror World. Alright, one more reset. Let's see what we got here. Open. Alright, that took longer than I had hoped, but got there in the end. I think I might have even bent my pick a little bit there. Not used to doing it that way and applying a little more pressure than I needed to. Anyway, thank you so much, Nick's Picks, for the challenge. That was fun and frustrating, but mostly fun. So if you want to check out the challenge, the link to Nick's Picks channel is down below, and the challenge hashtag as well, hashtag vice versa 1000. I think the challenge is only going for a couple more days, so hop on it if you're interested. And yeah, thanks again for the challenge, and we'll see you later.